This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Togepi in Pokémon Legends Arceus. First, you'll need to head to the Crimson Mirelands. Once there, navigate to the Cotton Sedge area. Alpha Togepi typically spawns near the river, so keep a keen eye out as you explore that specific location. It's a rare find, but knowing its habitat significantly increases your chances of a successful encounter. Before you engage, make sure your team is ready. Alpha Togepi is a fairy type, so bringing powerful grass or electric-type Pokémon will give you a significant advantage. Remember to approach it stealthily to avoid startling it. It's also a good practice to save your game right before you attempt to catch it, just in case things don't go as planned. When you've found your Alpha Togepi, the next step is to weaken it. Inflict status conditions like sleep or paralysis to make it easier to catch. Then, use your best Pokéballs. Ultra Balls or Gigaton Balls are highly recommended for their increased catch rates. For an extra bonus, try to throw your Pokéball at its back, which boosts your chances even further. Congratulations on catching your Alpha Togepi. After the capture, take some time to check its nature and effort levels to understand its strengths. Then, focus on training it to maximize its potential in battles. This powerful Pokémon will be a fantastic addition to your team. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.